Alrighty, y'all. Mike here, Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in on another automotive repair video on my 2008 GMC. We're throwing a code P0305, which is a misfire code. So we're going to go ahead and try to change out an ignition coil, and hopefully that'll help get rid of this code. So let me show you what that kind of looks like. Alrighty, probably not the qualitiest part. The original one in here probably has not been changed, and it's got 450,000 miles this motor has, and I don't think it's ever been changed. But this is the coil we're going to change. It's got the cylinder numbers on. It looks like you got 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, and then there's this electronic connector piece here. So this is overall what it kind of looks like. So what's going on is I'm having a misfire, hesitation, more fuel consumption. So let me show you where that part is. It's actually right back here. You can kind of see the spark plugs right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a socket. I'm going to let you guys know what size socket it is, and I'm going to go ahead and try to pull the 4 screws to get it to come up. And then my plan is to, as I take them off, I'm going to just pop them back on and try to set it back in there. I'll see how that all kind of works out. So I'm going to get started on that. Alrighty, y'all. So you may want to disconnect the battery, make sure the key's not in the ignition, and don't do this when the motor's hot, obviously. Don't wear flip-flops. But you can see I had to get up in this engine bay, and I'm standing in here. See my extension? See if I can get a... It's kind of hard to follow it down, but basically it's running down to a 10 mil. I have a 10 millimeter wrench. All right, so I'm basically setting it down in there on that bolt in there, and then I take this bad boy, which if you see my videos, and I'm kind of getting that on there to take it out, and then I carefully stick my hand and pull it up. So I got 2 more to go. Let me go ahead and fight these babies. All right, so maybe give it a little help. So once it's loose, you got to stick your hand down there. You don't want to lose that bolt. All right, so what I did is I took the first 3 off. I stuck them both back there, and as I took one off, I placed it on the new one in the exact order. So now that I got it out, I'm going to take off one at a time and place it on the new one so I could pull it out. And then the electric connector was very easy. You just push on the little tab and it slides right out. And that'll be the last thing we put back in. Alrighty, y'all, it's been a fun one. Hands are black, filthy. Just if you're gonna try to tackle this yourself, just get ready to be in some awkward positions, because a lot of that I had to wasn't even able to put my eyes on, but kind of the old hand and feel method. But here's the old one here. Numbers are the exact same. Ooh, this is AC Delco too. That's probably what you should replace it. I didn't even try to price one out, so who knows, I may be replacing this one I just got 6 months down the road. This is all I needed, was just a ratchet, and that's my little trick there, the extension, so that way you have an idea. And I was able to literally get all 4 of them with that, so that worked out pretty good. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up and see how she sounds. Alright, so before we go ahead and do this, I'm going to clear the code, because I don't want to have a code in the system when we go to fire this up. So no DCT, no TCs detected. Why does it still show it up there? Oh, here we go, y'all. Sounds like the computer's relearning a little bit. RPMs are definitely a little high on the fire up. Probably where they need to be. Let's see. Jesus. Alright, see if we got any codes. Alright, there it is. Light's gone. Sounds like throttle response is up there. And before I'd feel a lot of shaking, so feels like the shaking kind of went away too. I would notice, you know, a very subtle shake. But so I think the mist may be gone. I'm gonna have to drive it around a little bit to see. But just want to thank you guys. I got the sun all in my eyes and stuff. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay sure to check out some other videos. I'll be sure to, you know, get some new stuff going on, some different types of content. I appreciate y'all's support. Shout out to my 300 subscriber. Appreciate you. Let's get them subs up, y'all. Let's get the subs up and let's get this channel going. I appreciate y'all, and Happy New Year, and God bless. Take care.